Hello, YouTube. Say hello. As you see, what used to be grasses is now completely flooded. Well, the water level's starting to fall a little bit. It's all the way across to their houses. Avalanche stalled out in the road.
Yeah.
Guess they're over there to try to help him. Uh-oh. The rain's starting to get heavy.
Oh Lord, it's taking rain in its
No! My car is roughly 13 feet away from the road, and the rainwater was up to the tire before it started falling. This is it's just crazy. It's just intense. Nothing compared to what as you see from the white water on the bottom, the water literally broke their fence. It's just unreal. Rain's definitely getting intense now. Heavier now than it was earlier. This is Josh signing off.